Okay, we're here at go-to-math.com. Did I say we're at go-to-math.com? Yeah, place. Hit the calculus button. Let's go down to second fundamental theorem, and we're doing 3.1. So in 2.2, I stated the actual theorem, and we're not going to go through all that again. I'm just going to show you the mechanics on how to do this, and that's it. If you want to see an explanation, go to 2-2 or 2.2. All right, so let's go ahead and write this down. And even if you don't even know trig or taking the intervals of trig functions, you can actually still do this problem. And this is actually a good problem on a test um, for students who are like taking a survey to calculus class, because that just tells me that they know how to do the problem and they don't cover trigonometry. Boy, that'd cause an uproar, wouldn't it? An uproar. Let's see, 5x squared plus 1 over 2, 5t cosine t. Yeah, so we don't know how to take the integral of cosine t. That's what the student would say. We don't know. We don't even know what that is. So what? You don't need to know. That means that you obviously don't know the concept of how to do this problem. That's right. F of f, capital F. Yes, there would be an uproar. There would be riots. Can you imagine? Riots at a university. Business students are rioting because an unfair problem was given on the test. We don't know how to do trig functions. Um, I know I shouldn't call her a friend. Anyway, she saw SIN and she's Catholic and she's never seen that before ever in her life. And she's like, what are you studying? The sin? The sin of man? I'm like, oh my God. U is equal to 5x squared. I mean, I guess it's spelled that way, sin, committing a sin. Uh, so we're going through the mechanics here because that's all we need to do, right? 5, and you know what? And I'm going to go ahead and do this because I didn't cosine, get everything in terms of u, right? You're just rewriting the integrand with things in terms of u, and then write d over dx next to it, which is 10x. But now remember, our final is we want to get everything in terms of, this is f prime by the way, we want to get everything in terms of x. If you forget to do that, it'll be wrong. So what is u? U is equal to 5x squared plus 1 times cosine. See, I didn't need to know how to take the integral of cosine, did I? Cosine of 5. I think around the nation we need to do this. We got to get these business students, get them in an uproar. Okay, and that's it. Wait a minute, something's fishy. Oh, the x. I left off the x right here. Let's throw the x out front. Okay, that's it. Now, what's really cool about all this second fundamental theorem of calculus thing is that even though we can't take the integral, something really complicated, we can't take the integral of it, but we can take the derivative of it. And if we can take the derivative of it, that means that we could find mins and maxes and stuff like that. That's if we can solve for x. We might have to use some technique for solving for x in the problem, some kind of technique for doing that, like some numerical technique. But what's really interesting about that, I'm going to work on this problem, is we can work with areas under the curve and do some really cool stuff with that. So we got to answer. Let's hope that everything's kosher here. 50. Uh-oh. There's a 5 out front. How did I miss that? Is this the same problem? What the heck's going on here? 10. I didn't write 10. I wrote 10. And there's the 5. There's a 0 right there. Okay. 5 times 10 is 50. write this. So the details, you got to watch out for the details. And 5x plus 1. 5x plus 1. Everybody out there was probably like, whoa, you forgot to do that. Actually, I did until I saw the answer. Okay, so we've got to watch out about these kind of things. 50x, 5x plus 1. Okay. My God. We are giving the damn business students a hard time. Look at me. Alright, so we're here at gotomath.com. I want to practice that. I need to practice that, it looks like. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.